In this lesson, I will show you how to create a subdomain and host our website on subdomain. So let's start. Now I am at cPanel of my hosting provider. So I use Namecheap as the hosting provider. So in here I am go to domain section. In the domain section, I just click on the domains. Now here I can see all the domains that I currently have. So I am going to use this custom website design.us domain to create a subdomain. So to create a subdomain, I just click on create a domain. Now here I will enter the subdomain name. In my case, it will be hana.customwebsitedesign.us. Because when we create subdomain, we have to select the main domain. So I just copy the custom website design US domain, and here I just add hana dot and paste the subdomain because our personas or the business coach name is Hannah. Okay, now here when I type the domain name, you can see we got a document root name as our subdomain name, and here also we have share document root and it has the file path to public HTML. So if I tick this share documents root, this hana.customwebsitedesign.us files will added into public HTML, but we don't need to do that, so I am not going to check it. So with this settings, hana.customwebsitedesign.us folder will create inside the public HTML folder. So when I hover over the home icon, you can see the document directory that we are going to create this folder. Okay, so now I click on submit button. Okay, now our subdomain successfully created, and if we click this folder path, it will open the file manager, and if we click on this subdomain, it will open the domain preview, but currently it has a message and we need to wait like 20 to 30 minutes to make DNS properly configured. So in meantime, let's create a folder called test.html on our newly created subdomain, and let's right click there and click on edit and edit it. Then here let's add the text like this is a subdomain. Let's make it like hello, this is a subdomain. So now I click on save changes and let's try to refresh it. Actually when I refresh it, nothing show. So let's wait like 20 minutes and I will see you after that. Okay, I waited like 20 minutes and now here is the look of the website when we visit it. So here is the test.html file that we created. When we click on it, we can see our message. Hello, this is a subdomain text that we added.